These are the elevators at the riverfront municipal parking deck. And in Minneapolis, Minnesota. These are ThyssenKrupp Aurora hydraulic elevators. Let's take a ride. We got this one. There's our fine security camera up there. All right, let's go up to 4. Let's get a view out the window. We're at 4. Here's the roof of the garage. But these elevators face inside the garage, by the way. Let's ring the bell. Now we'll go back, re-leveling. All right, back down to 1. It's a nice elevator. Kind of weird that it faces inside the garage. That's some kind of little light in there. Look in the mirror in the ceiling. Who do you see high? And here are back at 1. Let's send this one up, and we'll get the other one. Here goes this one. Let's call the other one. Here it is.
Nope, this side. This side. Thank you. Sorry.
It's all right. Here's the other one. We're gonna go up to 4 again. There's your alarm bell right here. Let's listen to it. It doesn't work properly. And by the way, we hear the X door buzz in this elevator. Now we'll go back down to 1. Let's just get the bell ring again first. Kind of interesting that up down air indicator lights up green instead of red or something. I don't know. I think it's just green. Never mind that. And I'll go back down to 1. It's a very nice hydraulic elevator. After we go back down to 1, we'll watch the numbers. All right, here we go. Up to 4. Close the door. Now we'll watch the numbers on this ThyssenKrupp floor counter. Now I'm gonna send this one. Now we'll go back down to 1, and then we'll listen to the machine room. Let's get a closer view of the button, by the way. Nice ThyssenKrupp Aurora elevator fixture. Here are the fixtures. She does take a little while to level. Let's send this one up. Let's set it up and we'll listen to the motor just right over here by the pay stations. And we will just end the tour on 3. We'll watch 3 go out. By the way, here's your ThyssenKrupp elevator logo right here. All right, let's ring the bell. Kind of weird these elevators have different color lanterns. Up lights up yellow and kind of amber color, and down lights up green. Kind of strange. All right. And here's your ThyssenKrupp man-powered elevator right here. And I guess that's it.